Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for live sports or specific sports that's going on, or even for your favorite teams on YouTube TV. So once you're inside the YouTube TV, I'm currently under my library section here, but if you look towards the upper right hand side, you have some options here, and one of them is search. So if you click on the search icon, you can go ahead and you can start using this search here at the top. So I'm a Barcelona fan, so let's say I want to type in Barcelona, right? You can see right away that it shows Barcelona as a club, and it also shows, for example, some games or some events that is currently going on, right? And what you want to do is just, for example, click on FC Barcelona here. And here you can even add this under your library. So you can add that so they can have it for future use. If you scroll down, you have information such as the latest games that went on and the scores as well, their current standing in in their league, and also you can see some information about the Champions League as well. And you can also see here some of the channels that for this team that it actually show up on those channels. So you can see here that many times they come on the ESPN Deportes, ESPN2, ESPN itself, and even other channels as well. So but if you scroll down, you can find the upcoming games. You can even see more upcoming games, so you can click here and you can see other games that are upcoming and the dates and so forth. So this is how you can see it, and you can see on the left hand side as well the next game that is coming up, which channel it's going to be on, and so forth. So this is how you basically search. If there's a live game, you'll be able to find the live game as well that is going on. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.